Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda, and today I have a yarn haul from a UK dyer, obviously based here in the UK, from Birdstreet yarn. And if you watched my Siobhan Crafts yarn haul, who's another UK dyer, you will be aware that I'm been finding these new dyers that are here in the UK, so it's saving me a bit of money in postage, because obviously with them being in the UK I can support them and that. So I can't remember actually what I paid, what I ordered, but shall we open it and see what I got? Yay! So with the doesn't say what the it's so as you know guys, I mean it costs me, if I purchase yarn in the US, it costs me £25, which is a lot of money for postage, and it just meant I could purchase more yarn here. Oh, thank you so much, Linda. Oh, that's nice. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. So I've got twice the amount of yarn that if I'd have purchased it abroad in America, which is good. So it comes in this lovely little brown bag, and it says, I've got thank you stickers on it. So let's see. Oh, I got a little bag of Tic Tacs. And I remember now, I purchased this yarn with a sweater in mind. Sorry about the crinkle, guys. Let me just get rid of it. Yay! And I purchased this yarn with a sweater in mind. So it is Birdstreet yarn. This is called Kestrel. It's 75-25, so 75 superwash merino and 25 nylon. This is called Kestrel, and can you see the lovely colours? I thought it very autumnal. It's 100 grams, it's a 3 weight, so that's a DK, 225 meters. Hand dyed by Claire and John, birdstreetyarn.com, and I'll put the link below, guys. So I got 4 of them, and then as a contrast to go with that, as you can see there's greys in there, I got this one, the same information on this as on this, and this is called Slate, and that will make a really nice sweater. So I'm really, and it's nice and soft, and I really like all the, can you see all the different colours in there? I'm really pleased with that, guys. Really pleased. That is going to make a lovely sweater. I just need to find the pattern now because I put it away. So yeah, what do you think? I'm really into greys at the moment, guys. I don't know why. I'm really into my greys. So, but that is nice. Make a nice sweater, that. So we'll see. So that is all from me for today. Please check out the link below, the website. I want to thank Kirsty and Tracy from Wool & Wishes for their recommendations on this company. So thank you, and I really love this yarn. So take care everybody, stay safe, but more importantly guys, as I always say, be kind to you.